Good morning!
Good morning, guys.
So today we have a fun day set up.
I know it's gonna be fantastic. We're gonna go on an old sail ship.
Yes, we're going on a pirate ship.
Yeah, and you're gonna see around the island of Maddalena and the archipelago. Stay tuned.
We are here in Sardinia and our little pirate ship has arrived. So this is the Valentina 1. It's a really charming old pirate ship, as I like to call it. It's got sails, but normally we sail by motor. And we leave from Sardinia, and now we're going to the island of Maddalena.
La Maddalena village is the main center of the archipelago and can be reached from the town of Palau in ferry boat in about 20 minutes, or by boat like we did.
And now we're off to the island of Budelli. I have to tell you, I've never seen water as beautiful as this. It's absolutely spectacular. Look at the beautiful green and turquoise colors coming out of here, and the crocodile head rock as we pass by, and some of the other boats there in the little bay.
If you're visiting northeast Sardinia, this is one of the things that you should come and take a look, the archipelago Maddalena. You can rent this boat. It's about 120 euro per person. They offer you lunch. It's absolutely spectacular. And it's a sailboat. It's an old sailboat. And sometimes when the wind permits, they sail back into the port.
Right, and they're super accommodating. They're friendly. Everyone's happy to have you on board.
And look at this, like 6 people. It's a massive boat. It's like 3.
Exactly. Yeah, no, we're doing really well.
After lunch, we'll sail to the next island, Spargi, where the water is equally beautiful.
After a beautiful afternoon of swimming, now we head back to Sardinia, where we get to think about our next adventure. We are back. It's the afternoon at the beach.
What a beautiful, beautiful day. Unfortunately, my GoPro fell in the water and I lost it, so some of the footage is gone.
Yeah, so those gigantic fish that we saw in the ocean.
Yeah, all the fish, all the underwater footage is gone, so I'm sorry.
Well, let me tell you, those fish were gigantic. There was thousands of them. They were just everywhere. It was an amazing day. And thanks for watching.